All right, y'all, we back with another one. Another mystery box. A little smaller one, but hey, we're gonna crack it open. We're gonna crack this baby open. We're gonna crack this one open. See. Let's see. We got here. Oh, say that one for last. Let's say that one for last. Let's say that one for last. Last. Another mystery box. Let's see what we got here. Damn, I got this thing taped up to the max. Damn, I'm not ready to taking that out. Let's see if I can slide it out. Without messing it up. I'm gonna have to cut it. Oh shit, we got a treasure hunt. We got a treasure hunt. Where's he at? Do you see that sign, that symbol back there? Yeah, it's tucked away. We got a treasure hunt. You see that symbol on the car? A little NASTRUCK. I like it. So we got here. Oh shoot, another treasure hunt. I see it. I like that. Kind of look like a Batmobile, but it's not. All right, we got another one. Nice BMW M5. Okay. Alright, Fast and the Furious. I think I might have the whole collection now. Let me see. Oh no, this is a different one. Only got these four right here. I don't have none of these, I don't think. I might have this one, but not for sure. I don't think I have this set. Alright, here we go. Here you go. Ooh. Look at that. Little racetrack right there. Looking nice. Should I crack it open? Dang. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I want to crack this one open. You might have to check with me on the next video. I might crack it open. But make sure you like, subscribe, and it doesn't cost you anything to follow, man. Subscribe. Doesn't cost you nothing. So go ahead and follow for some more hits. Some more hits. Some more treasure hunts. Let me know which one y'all like the best. The BMW, the C10, the racetrack, or the other treasure. This is a treasure hunt, and this is a treasure hunt. So, which one you like better? Let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.